Welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. Sony has just increased the amount of PlayStation 5 consoles they have ordered by at least 50%. The original plan was to produce around 6 million units in 2020, but that figure is now around 9 million. This increase in orders can be attributed to demand for in-home entertainment increasing rapidly during the COVID-19 pandemic. You can see this trend by looking at subscriptions to streaming services, which have also risen across the board. In other news, the upcoming Tesla Model Y has inspired the automotive industry to follow suit. Nissan have just unveiled their new Ariya electric crossover SUV with up to 300 miles of range. The new model is a big departure from Nissan's previous and so far only electric vehicle, the Leaf. And I have to say, I don't hate the design. BMW is also jumping on the bandwagon with their new iX3, which will be their first fully electric vehicle to have over 200 miles of range, although it could have been even more had they not needed to squeeze the battery into a chassis designed for an internal combustion engine. There's been more drama surrounding Chinese telecoms giant Huawei. The United Kingdom had previously agreed to involve Huawei in the rollout of 5G across the UK, but with growing security concerns about China, as well as pressure from the US, Prime Minister Boris Johnson has decided to ban UK mobile providers from buying new Huawei 5G equipment after the end of this year, and they will have to remove all of its 5G kit by 2027. China, of course, did not really like hearing this news and accused the UK of working with the US to suppress and exclude Chinese firms. President Donald Trump was quick to take credit for this decision.
We confronted untrustworthy Chinese technology and telecom providers. We convinced many countries, and I did this myself for the most part, not to use Huawei.
If you've been looking at purchasing Apple's Airpods but have found the price tag to be out of your budget, Anker has just released their new wireless earbuds named the Life P2. The headphones come in at a reasonable $45, and for that price seem to have impressive specs, including support for aptX audio, IPX7 waterproofing, 40 hours of battery life including the case, and microphones with beamforming noise reduction. Reviews seem to suggest that most people are very happy with them. Our final bit of news comes from Samsung, who have scheduled their next big product launch for the 5th of August on a virtual event. The main product reveal will almost certainly be the new Galaxy Note 20 phone, which is their top-of-the-range model. Aside from this, there are reasons to believe they will also be revealing a new Galaxy Watch and a new pair of earbuds called the Galaxy Buds Live. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks, and see you next time.